Hi friends, I am Asya Tiwari from the 9th class, and today our topic is from the lesson Constitutional Design, and our topic is democratic constitutions in South Africa. That is very important topic and everybody should listen this topic. So student, in the first I will tell the sentences of the Mandela. You should listen it. I have fought against white domination and I have fought against black domination. I have cherished the ideal of a democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony and with equal opportunities. It is an ideal which I hope to live for and to achieve, but if needs be, it is an ideal for which I am prepared to die. So these are the words of Nelson Mandela, and he was very commented over the term democracy, and he spent his throughout the life for the success of democracy. Even he spent many years of his life in the imprisonment. So let's begin the lesson. So Nelson Mandela, who was charged for the treason, means he lived a life which he never dreamed. Means he was declared the kind of person who was doing against the country, means illegal activities. And Nelson Mandela, he was sentenced to life imprisonment with the very years in 1964, and 7 other people also imprisonment with him. But he had never you'll say lose the hope against the success of democracy, so he dared to oppose the apartheid policies that led him to spend 28 years in the imprisonment in the islands. This is the kind of jail where he lived many years, means 28 years. This island was known as a Robben Islands. So student, let's we see the term apartheid, because there are two terms which I have told the meaning. Treason means Desdrohi, and apartheid means the kind of racial discrimination. Means this is a policy where the one community is not liking to the another community, but this community is not based on the kind of caste and creeds and religion. This is the community which is the Africa or the America, where the people, they were just compared them with between the white and black. These are the two type of the community which was living in Africa. Because of blacks, they were the native people, but in the 17th or 18th centuries, industrialization process was started when the many European countries, means white people, they had went from European you will say continents to the another continent in search of raw material, in search of labor, in search of many of the other resources. So they had need the lot of resources, they had need the lot of labors. So they had come to Africa and they had become the native ruler, means local ruler of the Africa. Means only the 1/4 Europeans, they were very handful people in Africa, but these Europeans, they became the local rulers of the country. And that is very important thing. Over the 3rd-4th natives, means colored people, they were the blacks, they were the some other type of the Africans. So over the 3rd-4th natives people, these 1/4 European became the local rulers, and they had imposed everything over the natives. Means all the rights of the natives, what they were enjoyed in their earlier life, every right was taken away. And they were also treated as inferior. Inferior means they were not any kind of the superior things. Means they were not having the any kind of superiority, you will say. So they were just realize them that they were very inferior. Means they wanted to realize them that they have the inferior complex. A social, cultural, economic and many of the other type of the boycott has been started. This was a mass boycott, means they were not enjoyed the common civil life what the white were enjoyed. Even they were enjoyed this life earlier before the arrival of the Europeans, but now they had not any kind of the wish to live a kind of this life. Means it was the kind of a mass boycott, it was the kind of a mass separation that was started. This mass separation was known as a segregation. Segregation means a kind of process where the you will say mass gathering was totally boycotted by the government. Means they were totally separated from the white communities. Even they were not allowed to live into the areas where the white people were living. Even that areas were totally the you will say totally separatist area where they were not allowed. Means if they want to move that places, they have need the kind of permit. Without the permit, if they were caught, if they were found to you will say moving here and there, they was just immediately put up and put into the jail bars. So this was the kind of apartheid policies. And in India we can see better understand with the untouchabilities. Means a kind of process when the upper caste and lower caste was doing the same things, because in India the you will say untouchability and apartheid, they are totally different type of the policies, but they have the same sense. Means one who are very powerful and one who are very poor, very less powerful. So the more powerful have the kind of tendency to rule over the weak people. This is the kind of you will say the kind of division of the society. So student, this is the kind of segregation. Now we will see the protest against the apartheid policies. What the blacks had done in the country to protest against these policies. So blacks, colored and Indian, they were facing the all kind of the people. They were living in Africa, but they have the same you will say behavior from the white people, because they were you will say seen in the equal eyes that they were totally the you will say separatist people, they were totally the inferior people. So they had fought against all these kind of the social evils or the racial discrimination very collectively. Means they had become very integrated. And what the mode of the protest they had applied against the white people. So they had applied the marches, they had applied the strikes. Marches means when they had started to lead the kind of julus or the processions over the roads, over the street, and they also started the strike. Strike means kind of the hartals against the white government. Means they were very inspired by the views and the ideology of Gandhiji. Means these are the kind of two elements of the Gandhiji in his theory. And Nelson Mandela, he was the true believer of the Mahatma Gandhiji. He spent his life on the principle of Mahatma Gandhiji. So African National you will say National Congress Party, it was the umbrella union which become after you will say accompanying by the many other workers union and the communist parties. Means it became the umbrella movement, umbrella union, umbrella united front against the white government. And apartheid policies was totally declared unjust and racist by the several countries government. Means where these racist or the apartheid policies were running in that countries where it was totally declared illegal, totally declared unjust. Means it was just against the humanities, because it was just killing the you will say humanity. So in such a way it got the means Nelson Mandela got the worldwide you will say support, worldwide cooperation from the each countries, whatever these countries were belong from the white and blacks. Even some white people also opposed this apartheid policies because they were having the sense of unity. So now the Africa, it was moving toward the constitution, and we will see how the Africa got its constitution, what the steps they have faced. So white government realized for their discontinuity. Means उनको अपनी जो एक तरीके से कंटिन्यूटी होती है कि वो नहीं कर पाएंगे, लगातार अपना शासन नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो उनको इसका एहसास हो गया. एंड दे हैड लिफ्टेड all the bans on the all things, means they had imposed the bans over the press, they have imposed the bans on the services, they had imposed the bans on every political parties. It was lifted over everywhere. Now the people had the kind of realization to free, means they were having the sense of freedom. Mandela was set free after 28 years on 26 April 1994, and he was walked like the free man over the street. He was just running or the walking over the street like the free man. He was just realizing, means this is my own country and I can walk as I wish. And the Africa which was transforming, means South Africa was transforming from the apartheid to the democracy. This was a mass scale transformation of the South Africa, means it was moving from the apartheid system to the democratic system. This is the apartheid system where the racism policies are applied, and second is the democratic system. Democratic system means where there is not any space of any kind of the apartheid system, and any kind of the related, any kind of the other social evils like the apartheid system has not any scope in the democracy. So means democracy has become the people's choice. It became the, you will say, worldwide choice of the every people. It was getting its own way. Democracy has the kind of value, has the kind of this attraction. It search its own way. So great heart of the black, they had even always, they forgave the white people and their deeds also. Means what the committed mistakes they had done in their life, the white people, the blacks, they were have the very great heart, so they had decided to forgive them. Means उनको उन्होंने इस तरीके से माफ़ कर दिया उनके काम के लिए. And after 2 years long discussion and debate, the finest constitution of the world was formed, where many of the things was placed, such as every person have the same equalities, means they have not the kind of any discrimination policies. Every person have the kind of equal opportunities, and everywhere the people have the no any kind of the exclusion, means every person have the part of the country, no any kind of the demons treatment will be done by the government over the people. Means every person is the same person of the country, and he is a part of one nation, and every person has the same value. Even they have the one vote, because before this democratic system, the blacks were not having the right over the vote, means they have not the universal adult franchise. But after this constitution, when it was adopted, then the universal adult franchise was introduced, and in such way Nelson Mandela, he was recommended and accepted as the first president of the South Africa. It was the victory of the South Africa, Nelson Mandela and people of Africa. So student, let's we have seen now that how the South Africa transformed from the apartheid system to the democratic system, and how they had got it, what the sacrifices they had done, what the, we'll say, great work they had done for getting the democracy. So student, hope you understand and enjoy this lesson, and also you learned something. So thank you for watching me, thank you to listen me.